wonderful beyond measure and beautiful beyond description. Now I would like to invite our next speaker who aims to create a positive support and networking environment for females in various work fields and is here to give us some more individualized advices and ideas on how to better navigate our future careers. The speaker we have today is a prominent female figure who is an internationally trained PMU specialist, facial aesthetic specialist, and cosmetic dermatologist, BDS, PMU Sweden, FFA, MMP, USA. She has come here to share her experiences in leadership roles in a traditionally male-dominated profession. Please let me welcome you all to Dr. Aarti Yuvraj. Over to you, ma'am.
Hi, good afternoon, one and all. I would like to start with the foremost language of the old world, Tamil. Vanakkam ellarukkum. And I would like to thank Mr. Vimal and Mr. James for this wonderful opportunity to showcase myself in this wonderful platform. And also, I would like to thank my parents, the Almighty, and my friends, well-wishers, and everyone. I'm Dr. Aarti Yuvraj. I'm basically a dentist and also internationally trained PMU specialist, as well as facial aesthetic specialist, and many more. So I would like to say, in my profession, I never want to wrong anyone regarding the treatment they undergo. And also I want everyone to get treated with me, even they are not affordable, even they are poor, unhealthy, nothing matters in my field. Everyone want to get treated with me. So the thing is, I deal with the challenging cases and the most promising cases like burn victims, acid victims, and also many unaffordable people, where I can get them treated with free of cost. And also I just change them and transform them in their own way and in their desired way. And moving on to the most inspired woman in my life is my mom, Mrs. Tulasi Yuvraj. She's one awesome woman ever who never gave up in her life. And she was my true inspiration till date. Woman too. She was a good wife to my dad, good mom to my sister and myself, and she was one true inspiration. I would like to say, Mom, you're my true inspiration ever, and I love you in such a platform where I'm going to speak women empowerment representing the whole India. Moving on to the next person, my sister. She's also a true inspiration to me. She's basically an engineer, but by passion she has been into makeup field and she's a celebrity makeup artist. Even she faced many failures, humiliations, degrade, everything, but still she's very successful in her own way and she's been succeeding in her own career. So I would like to say, my sister Swati, you're also a true inspiration to me. And also the other true inspirations to me are Miss Jayalalitha, late Dr. J. Jayalalitha, the ex-Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu. And also I have been grasped few qualities from the greatest women I've ever been inspired. I would like to mention their names. Mother Teresa. I have been inspired Mother Teresa with her service mentality and also the kind heart, and also Indira Gandhi for her leadership qualities and also her boldness, and Kalpana Chawla for her perseverance, determination, and boldness. Indra Nooyi for her excellence and also her commanding power. Aishwarya Rai for her prominence. Mary Kom, she gave me a trust where a married woman will succeed in her life even after marriage or getting children or giving birth to a child. And Dr. V. Shanta, she's also late Dr. V. Shanta, who is in charge of Arya Science Institute. She's one true inspiration to me. And P.T. Usha, Sunita Williams, there are many more women who have inspired me truly. So moving on to women empowerment, I would like to say women empowerment can be defined to promoting women's sense of self-worth, their abilities to determine their own choices, and their right to influence social change for themselves and others. The 5 types of women empowerment are social, political, educational, and psychological, and also economic. And 5 things a woman can do to other women are: tell your own painful story that would inspire everyone, each and every woman out there. And stand up for other women, encourage them, support them. Share your own opportunities, grow together, encourage other women, and also build your own kingdom or empire. So the next thing I would like to share is the most important man who played a major role in my kingdom is my father, Mr. B. Yuvraj. It's a great person who supports me persistently, and I'm here. Who I'm here and presenting to you all is because of my own dad, my father, V. Yuvraj. Thank you, Daddy, and I love you always. You have given me a space, opportunities to show me everywhere, then and there. I'm very glad that I made you proud at this moment. Thank you, Daddy. And the other person, other man in my life, my brother-in-law, Mr. Karthik, and my close, very close well-wisher and my friend, Mr. Abdul Kader, AK. So these men play a major role in my career who supports me persistently, and I've come so far in presenting myself in this forum. And to the lead, I just want to talk about women empowerment in a few words. Like, women is the greatest enemy for the other women. I don't want you people to be like that. So just throw all that negativities, egos, and everything. Please be generous. Please help out each other, grow together. And I want to say that women can do anything, and nothing is impossible in this world with the support of few women and few men in your own family or friends. Even if a woman is very successful, please don't judge them or tell them because of this and because of that they have been succeeded. It's only because of their own struggle they are being here. So try to support each and every one in their own ways and understand their own struggle. And also men, please try to understand women's struggles and the difficulties they face when they step out of the house. So I hope you all understand. Please ignore negativity, spread love, and also I want everyone to help each other out. Love all, don't judge, be a broad-minded person. Please throw all the narrow-minded things in you, especially women. Please don't judge other women. Help other women, and you'll also be helped out by the same. So I hope everyone are aware of it. And also ignore negativity, be a death rock. You can reach more and more as I've reached here. So still I have more to reach. And I thank each and everyone for this wonderful forum to talk about women empowerment here. And also, I would like to say, please, everyone raise your own children, either it is a male or a woman, boy or girl. Please tell them about the equality of men and women then and there. Please tell them about the things that they want to know regarding child abuse or the behavior or anything, any management. Please raise them very perfectly and correctly. Don't blame girls for everything. Don't blame boys for everything. Each and everyone has their own responsibilities to deal with this in the world. So you can raise them accordingly. And I would like to say, if a girl is educated in a family, the whole family is educated. The same way, if a girl is empowered in the nation, the whole nation is empowered. I would like to say, every woman out here in any different kind of profession or any kind of forum, you all are empowering the nation. So once again, I'm thanking everyone, each and everyone who are watching this, and my well-wishers, my people, everyone, my parents, my sister, my friend, everyone. I would like to, my family, I would like to thank each and everyone for this wonderful opportunity here. And thank you. And last, I would like to say a Tamil voices. That is Ennapol Valke. So have a positive thoughts. Your positive thoughts will implement your life. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for your very inspiring words and giving us examples of some very empowered women and ways in which women can empower each other by their mindset. Good afternoon.